Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a free and working method to get a Roblox Executor. Try not to skip any steps. Okay, I'm going to put this link in the video description. It's called Xeno. You can download it from GitHub, and once you've downloaded it, you show it in the file here, you extract it. Once you extract it, it's going to look something like. Now, in order to run it, you have to start Roblox. Now, you cannot use Roblox from the Roblox Microsoft Store. You have to go from the website, or you can use Blockstrap. But once you've started, you go to roblox.com, find a game, and then let's go to this game here. Now, once you have the game running, simply go to the extracted file that you just downloaded, find xeno.exe, right-click on it, say Run as Administrator, and this will come up. And then say, press on this button here, and it is connected. And then you simply delete all of this. Press on the script button here, click on this, then click on this, and voila, it is working. Congratulations.